Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stunning video effect in InShot. So if you want to add video effect in InShot, there is a quick tip on how to get that done. So once you import your video, just tap on the video you want to add. If you want to add a stunning effect to, then tap on effect, this effect right here, the one with the star logo. Tap on effect, then from here tap on the effect, which is first option. Then from there you can pick from any of the video I'm going to want. You can pick this. Everyone, in this video, example, you can pick this. Depends on how you want it, and that's it. You can select this as well. Everyone, you can select this. In this video I'm going to show you. Depends on how you want it. You can also select this. Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you. Cool. You can select everyone. In this video I'm going to show you. Depends on how you want it. Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you. You are using all these filters. Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you. That is how you can make a stunning video using InShot. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.